loaded, creamy shrimp baked potato. The flavors right here are off the charts. Simply amazing. And I'm about to show you how it's done. It's been a little minute, but let's get started. So you're gonna begin with 2 very large potatoes. Go ahead and grab a fork and do like me and just poke holes all over the potato. Once you have both potatoes all poked up, you wanna go ahead and grab a little bit of oil. I am using olive oil here, and I'm just gonna drizzle it on top and then massage it all in. After that, we are just gonna sprinkle some salt all over our potatoes just like so. You're gonna do that to both sides. And at this point, you wanna go ahead and have your oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And you're gonna wrap up the potato in this foil, place it in a baking pan, and just toss it in the oven for about 1 hour or until your potatoes are fork tender. Keep in mind that the larger your potato is, the longer it may have to cook. Same goes for smaller potatoes. It's gonna cook a lot quicker, so keep an eye on it so you don't have some super mushy, overcooked potatoes, all right? So in the meantime, I have myself some shrimp that's already peeled and deveined. I'm drizzling a little bit of olive oil on these bad boys, massaging it all in. And we are gonna season this shrimp right here like our life depends on it. You know how we do. We are never, ever stingy with the seasoning. We are very generous. So once you have your shrimp seasoned up, you want to go ahead and get a pan to about a medium high, drizzle a little bit of oil in there, and we are going to cook this shrimp right on up. And keep in mind, shrimp takes almost no time to cook. Last thing you want is some super rubbery shrimp. So, you're just going to let this go for about, I would say, less than 5 minutes, maybe 4 minutes or so. And you want to go ahead and move it around in the pan. Make sure both sides are seared up nice and beautifully. All right, now that our shrimp is fully cooked, you want to go ahead and remove it from the pan. And in the same pan, we're gonna drop in a little bit of unsalted butter. We're gonna drop in some diced onions as well as some diced bell pepper. You wanna go ahead and saute this for a couple minutes, maybe about 4 minutes, until you see them start to soften up a bit. Once you see that come to fruition, you wanna go ahead and drop in your heavy cream. Go ahead and drop that right on in. And we gotta season this up as well. And again, seasonings will be displayed on the screen and in the description box as well for you to reference to. So yes, we season that up. We're gonna go ahead and give it a mix. You wanna let this come to a simmer. You want your heat at about a medium or so at this point. I'm dropping a little bit of Parmesan cheese. In a second, I'm gonna drop some Colby Jack cheese as well. You wanna get everything in that pan there, give it a mix, and then remove it from the heat. Now our potatoes are ready to go, fork tender, very hot. Be careful at this point. Remove it from the foil. And what we're gonna do is grab a knife and just cut a sliver off the top, okay? And after that, we're gonna grab a spoon and spoon all the insides out of these potatoes right here, okay? So like I said, you want to grab a spoon and carefully take out all the potato from the inside and place it in a bowl. You want to be careful to not weaken the structure of your potato and take too much from the sides and have the whole thing collapse on in. You want to keep the integrity of the potato, if you know what I mean. So go ahead and do this to both of them. So now we have both of our potatoes emptied out. We're gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper, not much, just salt and pepper to taste, not too much, just a sprinkle, okay? We're gonna drop in a little bit more cheese and our creamy sauce. We're gonna drop that right on in as well. And you want to grab a spoon and give this a mix. You can kind of mash the potatoes a little bit more as well with your spoon as you're mixing this together. And once you have everything mixed together, we're going to use this to stuff those potato shells back up with. So here we are. You want to go ahead and stuff these potatoes to capacity, baby. Go ahead and do your thing, all right? Just like so. So once you have your potatoes loaded up, you're gonna drop some more cheese right on top. And then you're gonna grab your shrimp and you're gonna just stuff them right on in. Go ahead and press them in and get these potatoes loaded up with this wonderful, well seasoned up shrimp, okay? So now that you have your shrimp loaded up in there, you want to go ahead and grab that creamy sauce and spoon your some right over the top, just like so. Once you have that taken care of, you want to toss these bad boys right back in the oven for another 10 minutes or so it can get nice and beautiful. And once it comes out of the oven, you garnish with a little bit of parsley and you are ready to bust down, baby. Come on now. Tell me these do not look good. Come on. Wow, wow, and wow. Like I said, you're gonna toss these bad boys in the oven for about 10 minutes. And this is the end result right here. OMG, stop playing with me. Wow. Straight pressure. Come on now, stop playing. Hey, if you enjoyed this recipe, go ahead and give your boy a like on this one. Drop down in the comments, let me know what you think. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. And I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.